So I need to go to the park.
I wish I could.
No, it's coming sideways.
Yeah.
It is coming sideways.
It is.
How often does it come sideways? Come out the ring, sweetie. I think you. How are you?
Say hi, Mrs. Tiahrt.
How old are you?
Cynthia, can you tell us why you support Todd Tiahrt for U.S. Senate?
I respect the man's position on life, because without life we have no liberty and no pursuit of happiness, and he's the only candidate in the senatorial race who respects life, and so I walk this precincts just for him.
Mrs. Tiahrt, can you tell us your opinion on the Second Amendment?
I'm a strong constitutionalist, and I love the Second Amendment. It's important. You know, for women, too, firearms can be the great equalizer, battling crime, and I support the Second Amendment strongly. However, my husband is even a stronger supporter of the Second Amendment. When Todd was in Topeka as a state senator in 1994, he introduced concealed carry. He was the first legislator in the state of Kansas to introduce concealed carry, and he took all the heat. You can imagine that the moderates and the rhinos and the mainstream media went berserk, but he took the heat. Then in the Congress, Todd has offered and supported and worked the Tiahrt Amendment, which protects the privacy of every legal gun owner. Mayor Bloomberg has come after Todd because of that amendment. He said that Todd is responsible for the Fort Hood shootings, for the Virginia Tech shootings, for the Mexican drug war, for the death of law enforcement officers. Nothing could be farther from the truth. Nobody wants criminals to have guns. No one. The Tiahrt Amendment protects even law enforcement officers, undercover officers, so that their identities are not dispersed through the internet, so that criminals can't come after our undercover officers. The Tiahrt Amendment is terribly, terribly important to the Second Amendment, and Todd is strong. He doesn't just go down and vote. He offers the bill, he takes the heat, and he sees that the bill becomes law and stays law.